All right, this is a C11, code number C11 shoe box. So first open like that, and then open this box. This box is put all the screw. So we pull out the screw. This is the runners. This is a plastic bag for the air. This is just a handle. This is the hinge. This is screw and the nuts for bigger one for the cabinet. So this screw is for the jaw. This nuts for the jaw. This for jaw. This is just the wooden pin. This small screw just for the hinge. This for the pin. The plastic, don't worry about that. This small screw is for the handle. All right. This screw just for the leg. After can show you. All right. This piece is a bottom piece. Okay. This three is leg. Here I have a two hole. Here two hole. Here I have a two hole. We just have to fix on the leg. All right. So now you just remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the bottom piece plus the 4 hole. Okay. Just screw. Okay. Open the runners. Open the runners. Okay. So then here have a two hole. Just the runners. Okay, this is small screw. The small head is for here. Okay. All right, this is a bottom piece, bottom shelf. All right, we just put on it. Down to one. Okay. Got good. Got it. Okay. So open this one, the plastic one. This for air. Then use another one. It's okay. No piece. No hole. And like that. Okay. Okay, now the left side put on. Lock it. Alright. Then use this screw to put the leg on. Leg size is a little bit wrong. Okay. After put the 3 legger, we move down. Okay. Now we move down. Just piece. Here I have a 2 hole. Put the runners. Back. Put the runners. Here is front. Put the front. Just do like that. Looks like that. Okay. So now put this one, lock it. And also top top have a runners. It's okay. Special only one. One is big pin is half and half, put here. Another is a big screw, put in the middle. And then this piece you put here. Alright, so first we do like that. And go inside. Okay, just leave it like that. This size, lock it. Another one have a hole with the screw in the top. Okay, bottom nothing. So then this one put inside. Right here. Put inside. Okay. Okay, lock it here. So lock. Okay. This one you must first just turn quarter. That's it. So then another one is bottom. Turn quarter. Then again. Maybe lock it. Okay. Just quarter, then quarter again. So this one is one drawer. Okay, but this have a one drawer and one drawer middle have another piece. So we must put this piece in there. This screw here, this one and this one screw for the top. But be careful because why? Here put the runners. The back is runners, but must short is under. Little bit little bit longer one in the top. Don't change it like that. Okay. So then we show. Okay. So this one. All right, two sides. This is short. This is a little bit bigger. Shorter one is under. Come up. Shorter one under. That's it. Okay, this is the top one. They have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 screw. We put it all screw like that, then we put it this one on the top. That's it. Top on. Alright. This is put on the top. That's it. Okay, we have a 3 drawer. They have a left and the right, left and the right, left and the right, so 3. This is back is 3. Be careful, is middle jaw is a little bit bigger, so this piece is middle. This can left and the right. Okay. This 3 is for the bottom. Still have a one piece a little bit high, is middle jaw. So leave here. Okay, this is another. This piece is back. Use this plastic. The hole just come to here. Put the 4 plastic in. This is drawer is back. Right size. Here are 2 holes left size. This screw is this screw just fix on there. Just fix there. Okay, now this piece put it back. That's it. Okay, there I have a 3 drawer is face. Just check. This is similar. This is middle. Flat and the flat is middle. Leave there. Okay. Screw is for the jaw face. Okay. So we put it. Okay. Then this one. Put out. This is small nuts. Just put it there. And lock the jaw. Okay, this one better you put it before. We must put the runners there. All right, so this one is put front. Left side and the right side all have runners. So next time we can first put this piece for the runners. On this jaw, is curve is here, is the right size. Okay, the jaw put in slowly. All right. Okay, we open the handle, and they have two screws. This for factory give you free. Doesn't matter. Don't worry about that. Because wow, this is too longer. We have another two in the. This is a little bit short. We use this one. Don't worry about this throughout. That's it. Okay. Okay, we put the handle on like that. Okay, now they have this is door. They have 3 doors. So middle door, just put the middle. All right. So very important. Then this is the hinge. This 2 hinge is different to this 4 hinge. So 4 hinge, same hinge. This means 2 is left, 2 is right. Middle hinge is this. Don't mix it. If you mix it, you cannot fix it. This is middle hinge too. This left and the right hinge door. So flat. Right. This is very important. This is the first door. Put a hinge like that. Put a hinge like that. First door, left or right. Okay. Any. Okay, so here still put a hinge. The hinge, the handle open. They have 2 screws. Don't worry about this screw. Okay, we take this screw. This screw is shorter than this. This one, don't worry about it. Okay. This door is the right size. We just screw on. That's it. Screw. So after this one, we middle. This screw must a little bit. Yeah. Here is a little bit also. Okay, very important. So notice again. Left door hinge here is flat. Same like a right door, flat. But middle door hinge here is a little bit out. Here a little bit out. So this hinge must put the middle door. Cannot put left and the right. So easy. Just like keep in mind, 2 hinge is different than another 4 hinge. 4 hinge is the left and the right. 2 hinge just this and down. This is the right door. Right door here is curve. Here is straight. Same with the jaw. If you choose the jaw, this jaw, the right size curve, you put the right size. This is middle door. Middle door is 2 sides is straight. 2 sides, and this size is straight also. No curve. But hinge is different. Now C11 is ready.